Hello, this is Jovia from NutriGrab, and we are here with a man that is specialized in animal husbandry, and we would want to pick on his knowledge on what he knows in animals, animal health, and I don't want to specify because let us hear from him. Thank you so much. What is your name, sir?
Yeah, my name Nakibinge Richard Mayanja.
Mr. Nachiringe, we would want to know more about your books because I've seen these books are rich of knowledge in animal husbandry, and many youth are out there. They want to get into animal husbandry, but they don't know where to start from. They don't know where to get this knowledge. And reading from his books, things are simplified. Even someone that just stopped in primary can understand. So I want us to get to know more from him. What are these books about, and where can we get them from?
Thank you very much. Generally, they are around 7 books. They are on livestock production. Livestock includes poultry and other animals. Now we have one book on poultry. It is called Basics on Poultry. This one covers chicken, common ducks, and turkeys. Yes, all those fall under poultry. Then we have another one which is called Facts on Goats. This one covers goat production. All books were written based on Ugandan standards. You see, other books were written from outside and they don't fit well on our standards and even the dynamics which govern animal production in Uganda. So this one deals on all kinds of goats. All the information you need about goat production is here, whether you are on extensive or intensive production. Then we have another one. This one is called Know Your Pigs. I am aware that very many people are rearing pigs, but they don't know what they call pigs. Let me tell you, when we are rearing pigs, we have some breeds which are referred to as maternal breeds, and we have others which are paternal. Maternal, they are supposed to make mothers. Then paternal, they are supposed to make fathers. But people just rear far. Yeah. You find somebody using the paternal breed as a maternal, and another one using a maternal breed as a paternal. That's where the problem comes in. And again, most pig farmers, they don't know which business they are in. We have around 5 businesses in the pig. There's what we call follow to win. Now this person is dealing with mothers, is producing piglets, and all those piglets are for sale. It doesn't rear them. People just have to come to him and then buy piglets. Then there is what we call win to finish. These people buy piglets and then they fatten them. So you must define your niche in the pig production chain. You must define where do you belong, but people don't know. You should know the animal you are rearing. Then you have another book, which is the artificial insemination in pigs. Now, as I've told you that you have the paternal and the maternal, those breeds are very expensive to a local farmer. However, when you use artificial insemination, a pig which is bought at around 9 million, you can get it at around 100,000 because semen for maternal it costs around 10,000. Sorry, 100,000. And then semen for paternal, it costs around 45,000. Around this, just simple as that. Yeah. Whereas if you are to buy a boar that's a male pig, it can take you around 9 million to get it from France, or if you are getting it from South Africa. But with artificial insemination, things are made simpler. So this book is specifically on artificial insemination, specifically in pig. Then we have another book here. This is rabbit. People don't know as far as rabbits are concerned. We have what we call giant rabbits. Then there is what we call medium rabbits, and then what we call small rabbits. Now what people do, he buys a small rabbit and he thinks that we will feed it and then it becomes a giant. Giant is genetical. It is inborn. It's like, have you ever had a motorcycle called the scooter?
Yes.
Yeah? Yes. Now, if you have a boxer and you have a scooter, even if you put a full tanker in a scooter, it can't run as fast as the boxer, which is having only 1 liter in its fuel tank. Yeah, so that's what is happening. If you want a giant rabbit, buy a giant breed. Yes. So this one is on rabbitry. This one, it is on sheep. Now, sheep commercially, we have sheep which are reared for meat production, but sheep can also be reared for wool. Like this one you are seeing, it is called a merino. It is for production of wool. But here in Africa, because of the temperatures, wool sheep are not very common.
Yes.
They cannot survive well. Yes. But this one is, we call it essentials on sheep. Basics which people need to know as far as sheep production is concerned. So these are some of the books. Then lastly, we have this one. This one is on animal health. It has the diseases of poultry, diseases of rabbits, diseases of sheep, diseases of goat. It combines health for all those animals. It has colored pictures that when you look at it, you can easily detect the disease. Practicing farmers can have it. Students can work well. Trainers in different institutions, it can do well. Yes. Now you might wonder where we can get these books.
Exactly.
Okay. Now these books, if you are in Kampala here, very many farmers know where they call Container Village.
Yes.
You go to Container Village, look for a vet pharmacy called Kwewayo Vet Pharmacy. Kwewayo Vet Pharmacy is opposite Equity Bank. When you stand at Equity Bank and look opposite Equity Bank, you will see this vet pharmacy too, called Kwewayo Vet Pharmacy. You can find these books. Again, when you go to Masaka, go to Edward Avenue or Edward Street. There is also a vet pharmacy called Kwewayo. It is near Post Bank. The former Post Bank, now it is called the Park. Or National Social Security Fund. You can find these books. Then when you go to Mbarara, go to Main Street. There is also a vet pharmacy called Kwewayo Vet Pharmacy. You can find these books at Kwewayo Vet Pharmacy in Mbarara. When you are in Mpigi, go to Karagara, find a drug shop called Konoweka. It is at Karagara, near the signpost for there is a certain hospital I'm forgetting, but near that signpost you can get it. Yes.
Maybe you could give us your number so that in case anyone has any questions, they can contact you.
Yeah. Now I have two lines. Then the first one I'm going to give is on WhatsApp. It is 0751 539773. That is the first number, and it is the number which I commonly use, and it is on WhatsApp. Then I have the MTN. It is 0772 539773. Yes.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We also wanted to get your take on organic farming and also agroecology farming. What is your take about it?
Yeah, with organic, I would recommend organic, especially as far as health is concerned, because most of the things which are produced inorganically, they have what we call side effects when they are eaten. So the only problem is that if we are to go organic, then the cost of everything has got to be very high, because raising something organically, you put in so much. Whereas these ones which are reared far, inorganically, they mature very fast. Normally they are kept healthy, but when we eat them, here they look healthy, but they have side effects. Yes.
So if I want to do animal husbandry, but in an organic way, what is your advice? What can I use, or what can I majorly what is that advice you can give to me?
Yeah, with animal husbandry in an organic way, what we normally do, there is what we call organic medicine. There are some medicines which are made organically. Commonly in rabbits it has worked well, but in other animals it has not worked well. But with rabbits, you can maintain them organically using organic medicine.
Like which one?
Aloe vera, when you are treating wounds like these sore hocks. There are cases where rabbits suffer from sores on the hocks. Yes, you can use aloe vera. It can work. Yes, yes. Even in chicken, when you are treating some fruit, we have a mixture of ginger, hot pepper, then there's what we call turmeric. That one, when you mix it like that, and then you put it in the water for drinking, it can help improve other respiratory problems. Yes.
Thank you so much. That was a lot of information for us. Yeah, and I'm sure you guys have picked something. So go ahead and order his books on our platform at nutrigrab.shop. We have all his books. Support him, yes, and become better farmers. Thank you.
Welcome.